Colors associated with each deity enhance the spiritual ambience, for example, red for Shailaputri, white for Brahmacharini, blue for Chandraghanta. These colors resonate with their divine energies, creating an environment ripe for transformation. Regional variations in rituals. Rituals vary by region but often include community gatherings filled with music, dance such as Garba, and cultural performances that celebrate unity among participants. Engaging in these festivities fosters a sense of belonging while honoring the strength of womanhood encapsulated by Goddess Durga. The culmination of Navratri, Durga Puja. The culmination of Navratri leads into Durga Puja, another important celebration showcasing Durga's victory over Mahishasura. This event features elaborate processions, artistic clay idols crafted by skilled artisans, and various offerings known as prasad. Such communal experiences deepen connections not only to one's cultural roots but also to one another. Invoking strength through celebration. Celebrating these festivals provides an opportunity for individuals to invoke the strength of Goddess Durga in their lives while embracing their own potential through her inspiring qualities. Understanding the significance behind each form brings forth valuable lessons applicable in daily life, encouraging personal growth amidst adversity. Experiencing the vibrant rituals and cultural extravaganza of Durga Puja. Durga Puja, a grand celebration honoring Goddess Durga, immerses communities in vibrant rituals and cultural expressions. This festival typically spans 4 days, showcasing elaborate ceremonies that emphasize devotion and unity. Key rituals include Bodhong, the invocation of Goddess Durga into the clay idol, marking her arrival to earth. Anjali, offering flowers and prayers, symbolizing gratitude and reverence towards the goddess. Sandhi Puja, a significant ritual performed at the juncture of the last day of Navratri and the first day of Durga Puja, invoking powerful energies. Visarjan, immersion ceremony, a poignant moment when the clay idols are immersed in water, signifying a return to her celestial abode after blessing her disciples. The artistry behind the clay idols of Durga is remarkable. Local artisans meticulously craft these figures, pouring creativity and devotion into every detail. Each idol reflects unique styles and interpretations, representing various aspects of Goddess Durga's divine qualities. Community celebrations during Durga Puja foster a sense of belonging and shared identity. Streets adorned with colorful decorations come alive with music, dance, and cultural performances, celebrating different forms of the goddess. The festival transcends mere religious observance. It becomes a celebration of life, heritage, and togetherness. Invoking the spirit of Navadurga, individuals find empowerment through participation in these richly woven traditions that resonate deeply with modern society's quest for connection and meaning. Invoking strength through worship practices for empowerment. Harnessing the power of mantras and prayers for blessings from Mata Durga. Worshipping Goddess Durga is a profound way to connect with her divine energy, empowering individuals to navigate life's challenges. Central to this practice are mantras, sacred verses that channel spiritual power. By reciting specific mantras for blessings, worshippers invoke the goddess's strength, courage, and protection. Key mantras dedicated to Goddess Durga. Durga Mantra. Om Dam Durgaye Namah. This mantra is an invocation of Durga's protective energy. Reciting it fosters strength and dispels negativity from one's life. It serves as a reminder of the courage within oneself to overcome obstacles. Maha Durga Mantra. Om Aim Reem Kalim Chamunde Viche. This powerful mantra addresses the various aspects of Goddess Durga. Each syllable resonates with different energies, protection, wisdom, and prosperity, making it a comprehensive invocation for holistic blessings. Navadurga Mantras. Each form of Goddess Durga has its own unique mantra. For instance, Shailaputri, Om Shailaputriyai Namah, brings stability. Brahmacharini, Om Brahmacharanyai Namah, symbolizes devotion. Chandraghanta, Om Chandraghantayai Namah, represents bravery. Reciting these mantras during Navratri enhances spiritual engagement while embodying the qualities of each form, allowing worshippers to draw on these energies in daily life. Benefits of chanting mantras. Inner peace. Repeating mantras brings tranquility to the mind, enabling individuals to focus on their intentions. This practice fosters a sense of calm even amidst chaos. Empowerment. Channeling Goddess Durga's energy through mantras cultivates resilience and confidence. Worshippers often report feeling empowered to face their fears and challenges head-on. Spiritual connection. Regular chanting deepens one's relationship with the Divine Feminine. This connection nurtures emotional well-being and personal growth, much like the transformative energy of Devi Durga. Incorporating prayers into daily practice. In addition to mantras, integrating prayers into daily routines can enhance one's devotion. Simple prayers expressing gratitude or seeking guidance from Durga Ma can be transformative. Ma Durga, bless me with your strength to overcome my challenges. Guide me towards my true potential. Setting aside time for reflection or meditation while invoking these prayers creates a sacred space for spiritual growth and empowerment. Rituals enhancing worship. Participating in rituals such as lighting diyas, lamps, offering flowers, or preparing prasad, offerings, further strengthens the connection with Goddess Durga. These acts symbolize devotion and gratitude, reinforcing the belief in her protective energy. Through the practice of chanting mantras and engaging in heartfelt prayers, individuals can effectively invoke the strength of Goddess Durga in their lives. Embracing these worship practices not only honors her legacy but also empowers personal transformation by nurturing resilience, courage, and spiritual connection. Fasting is a form of devotion during Navratri, benefits beyond rituals. Fasting during Navratri is a profound spiritual practice that deepens one's connection to Goddess Durga. This period allows worshippers to cultivate discipline, focus, and devotion, inviting blessings into their lives. Significance of fasting. Purification. Fasting purifies the body and mind, creating a sacred space for worship. Detachment. It encourages detachment from material desires, fostering an environment for spiritual growth. Connection. Acts as an offering to the goddess, reinforcing the bond between worshipper and deity. Different types of fasts are observed by worshippers. Nitya Vrat, daily fasting without grains or specific foods throughout Navratri. Partial fasts, consuming fruits and milk while abstaining from grains. Ekadashi Vrat, observing fasting on specific days during Navratri for heightened devotion. Creating a sacred space for worship can enhance this experience. Simple yet meaningful practices include